In this video, I'm going over the erase command. The erase icon is up here on your modify panel. If you click on erase, you can simply pick on each individual item that you would like to get rid of. You may hit your right mouse button to enter, or you can click on the object itself and then hit the enter button on your keyboard to remove the items. Erase also works with a window and a crossing window. So the window is if you start to the left-hand side of your screen and drag to the right-hand side, anything that you get inside of that blue window will then be erased. So you can see the two lines here are hanging outside of the window, but the three lines that are on the inside have been captured, and those will be erased as soon as I click this point right here. So there's the window, those three items are going to be selected, and I can hit my enter button. The next thing is to hit the enter button and repeat the erase command, and if I drag from the right-hand side over to the left, this is the crossing option. So you can use a combination of the selections where you can draw a window around objects and then simply go over and then drag and then start picking things that are crossing and simply erase that way. You can also take your mouse. So I'm not in a command up here at the top. I'm just going to draw a window or a crossing window around the objects that I have right here. I'm going to right-click my mouse, and then I'm going to hit the erase button after that. Another thing that you can do is use the delete button. So if you pick all of your objects, either crossing or window, it doesn't matter what the selection is, you can also hit the delete button on your keyboard and they will remove as well. You have a good selection of ways of removing your objects from your drawings. And you may also go down to the keyboard and type in E for erase, and that will also access your erase command.